200 questions, 210 minutes, 5 time-bound sections, 42 minutes each section, 40 questions each section. How are you going to do it? So welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Soumita, Pediatrician, and in this video, I am going to tell you how you are going to nail your NEETPG 2024 exam with a proper and smart time management. So why time management is so very important, students, this time? Because this particular year, the new concept of time-bound sections have been introduced, and that's why time management gets the utmost priority. So just let's get into the topic. So as you know, students, there will be 42 minutes for each section where you'll be getting 40 questions, and once you are done with one section, you will move on to the other section, but you won't be able to come back again. So that's the reason I made this video, which will be easy for you to understand, right? So you might be thinking that 42 minutes and 40 questions, so that means you'll be getting approx somewhere around 1 minute for each question. But no, that's the wrong concept you are having. You need to complete each of the questions by max to max 50 to 55 seconds. Why, students? Because if you are completing all the 40 questions within 50 to 55 seconds per question, then you will be saving 5 minutes. Means you will be completing all the 40 questions by 37 minutes, and you are again left with 5 minutes. And this 5 minutes, I should say, is the golden 5 minutes. Why? Because in this 5 minutes, you will be able to revise whatever you have done, rather to put up in this way that whatever you had doubt, which the questions which you had marked for review, in this 5 minutes you will be able to come back to those questions. You'll be able to change your answers, or whichever question you hadn't answered and you thought you'll be answering later on. So this is the 5 golden minutes where you will be able to do or mark your response. And one important thing is, once you have done, so this final section has been already finalized, because once you have moved on to the other section, you won't be able to come back to this section. So this is the thing, you need to keep this permanent on your head, and you need to plan things accordingly. Well, so few tips I'll be giving you in this regard is, one is you need to keep an eye on the timer, because the reason I have already told you. The next thing is whether you'll be going aggressive or safe. So I would ask you to go aggressive, because you don't know, suppose this particular section you are finding a little bit difficult and you are thinking that no, I'll be marking little bit or I'll be going safe in this particular section. But suppose when you are moved on to the next section, you may find it even more difficult. That time you'll be regretting, why did I under attempt the other section? Because now you won't be able to come back and attempt more, which used to happen these old days. So that's the reason, if you ask me how many questions per section you need to attempt, so I'll ask you at least to mark, you can leave max to max 5 questions per section, not even a bit more than that. Okay, so you need to attempt a minimum of 35 questions per section, and that 5 golden minutes, as I told you, there you need to calculate all these things, because the reason is already known to you. So hope this video was useful, students. So just like it and share it with your friends, and also subscribe my channel if you haven't done yet, so that you do not miss any further important videos shared, right? So thank you for watching the video. We'll be meeting soon again. Bye bye.